This video, you're going to see me use Google Drawing. I know, it doesn't seem that exciting, but for the class that we're in, it might help you to figure out how to do the assignments by watching this video. And you're going to see me make some very amazing artwork. Yes, you could skip through, but then you'd miss all the funny jokes along the way. Let's check it out. Okay. Well, I just tried to draw a Harry Potter, and I quickly realized that Google, your drawing program, even though I've used it many times before, is the worst. The worst. Why would you call it drawing if you can't do any art with it that actually is like kind of artistic? So I have decided a workaround for that we'll try is I'm going to do a Minecraft version of Harry Potter. So I'm going to fill this top box with black because that's what his hair color is. We're going to make that a smaller box. And then we're going to have another box below that because, we Minecrafted. Okay, line the boxes up. Yeah, that's probably good. But we need that to be Harry Potter color. So probably like that. And then make them glasses, but they need to be circles. I can make circles. I guess it won't be perfectly Minecrafty. Oh yeah, make the circles huge and ridiculous. Excellent. Okay. And we're going to make a copy of that one. Line it up. Oh yeah, let's put those more towards the middle. Have them just look like a total goober. Yep. Hey, ooh, yep. Now we're going to make some lines down the side. Yeah. Lines. No. Oh, yeah, lines are right here. I thought Google was going to fail me at even being able to make a simple line. Oh, that works pretty nice. We're going to make a line over here. No. Why? There we go. And I feel like those lines should all be thicker. So I'm going to click my select button. And I think I can make the lines thicker up here. Yeah, the weight of the line. I want a Mr. Ruckdash weight, like thick. Very big. Just kidding. It's that quarantine. All right. And let's see. Make those thicker. Make these thicker. And then we're going to make some circles that are filled in. Yeah, I think I know how. So we're going to draw these down there and fill that in with black. All right, let's make a copy of that. And ka-chow. There we go. And we're going to make a square nose for Harry Potter. I guess that kind of looks like his mouth, huh? Probably make that red. And the inside less red. How's that look? Yeah, let's make it less that size though. Yeah, that's a little better. And then can I center it? Yep. Okay, Google, this is working better than I thought. You're not as terrible as I feared. Okay. Oh no, I was just talking to Google there, and now my phone is talking to me. Not that you can probably hear me now because the jets are flying overhead. Oh my goodness. All right. Oh my gosh. Google's trying to console me from my phone, telling me how frustrating it is. Okay. And now it's time for the part where I think I'll actually be able to make him look more Harry Pottery if I can figure out how to do a lightning bolt. No, don't make me connect it. Okay, so that's not the right one. Undo. So let's try a different one. Let's try just a regular. I don't want to connect to something. Is that going to work? Can I just say good? Yes. There we go. I'm going to make that line just slightly thicker. Yes, I like that. I'm going to move it slightly off to the side. This is good. I think that mouth needs to be just up a scotch from there. There it is. And then we need to make his silly little Hogwarts robe. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm doing this. This is ridiculous. Okay, so it's going to be that awful brown color. Like, why would you want your robes to be brown? You see, Google doesn't even have a brown. It's a dark yellow. Sure, that works. I'm sure I could like find one, but like why? Maybe it's really hard to make brown. I don't know. I guess it has to be kind of over there. It's probably like that. Let's see what that looks like. That's a brown. Weird. Okay. We are going to grab a triangle now. And we're going to have to flip that. Grab this little guy there. Yeah, a little flipperoo. And we are going to have to do a different color for that, though. I think I've got like a little white undershirt there, so let's make that white. Yup. And, you know, now I'm thinking like, do they have black robes? Gosh, they have black robes. I need to look and see if they have black robes. Black robes. Fine, we'll change that. Happy Google. All right. And now we are going to, I don't know how we're going to make their fancy little tie. Maybe a thinner triangle. Like that, and then flip it. Yeah, but then we gotta make it like slashed. I guess I'll make the main color that awful Gryffindor yellow, and then I'll make lines on it. Why am I putting so much work into this silly drawing? Okay, there's one, and we'll make that a little thicker. No, a lot thicker. There it is. And we'll make that reddish color. Yeah, it's close enough. Now, hopefully we can just copy that. So I don't want to have to keep drawing them and changing the color. Make that a little smaller. Yeah, good enough. I'm not going to worry about that. What else do I need to add? I mean, I guess he'd probably have like feet or shoes rather. I can make little tiny booties. He probably should have arms too. Fine, I'll give him arms. Leave me alone. Feet. Man, why is he wearing all black? that really? Like, I feel like there should be brown shoes, but like, I feel like black with brown shoes just doesn't go. All right, so now we need to give him arms. Fine, fine. And I suppose you're going to want a wand. Gosh, this is like if you give a moose a muffin, except for it's if you give Potty a body. Sheesh. Harry Potter. Come on. You know, he kind of looks like a bodyguard. I'm not sure that that's what I was really hoping for, but that's whatever. I'll give him his wand because, as Mr. Ollivander says, every wand. Well, no, I'm not really sure. I don't want to say anything because, as a Harry Potter nerd, I should know exactly what Mr. Ollivander says. I know that the wand chooses the wizard. Don't even pretend I don't know that. But what I'm not sure about is whether he says something like, every wizard needs a wand, Harry. That sounds more like something, Hagrid would say in the beginning where he says, blimey, Harry, you're a wizard. He doesn't say it like that, it's Robbie Coltrane, so he says it in his really gruff voice. What? I'm not I'm not making, fine, I'll make Hedwig. Because it'll be pretty easy, I think. I say that now. Remind me at the end if it wasn't easy. I'm not gonna lie to you right now. I'm not sure if I should say I'm impressed with my Minecraft abilities. I think it's more like I am surprised how much I enjoyed making this. I wasn't expecting that. I feel like he has big old black eyes. And he's got a beak. If you're wondering why I don't have time to grade your work, it's because I'm doing important things like this. Okay? Just chill. Yep. Oh, that's good. That is solid. I think that color of an orange. Yeah. I like that. Yes, I could have done a circular head, but I don't want to. He kind of looks like a snowman. He kind of looks like Olaf. Okay. I'm going to have to make him tiny little feet then. Fine. Hedwig, you're so demanding. Jeez. I guess, could I use those? I guess I'll go like that, and they'll be brown. That brown that I custom made. I had to custom make brown. No one has ever made brown here on the Google. See, I don't know that that's actually helping him look more like Hedwig. Maybe I need to draw like, the wings here on the side. Okay, I'll do my scribbles. Like that. And like that. Yeah? I mean, I could draw him in a cage, but like that's kind of sad. I think I'm going to leave it at that. I'm sorry, Hedwig. It's not because I don't care. It's because I never cared. Let's see. I was going to do one more thing. Oh, I know what it is. Ha. Here's what I'm doing. If it works, if it doesn't work, I'm going to be really angry. Yes. No. What? Why wouldn't... All right. We're going to try this again. Okay, let's see if this works. No. I don't want the background stuff. If it's a transparent image, why would you do that? I think I have a workaround. I think this is going to work. Please work. Please work. Please work. Crop. Yes. Yes. Almost success. I almost know that I'm successful. I'm almost the favorite son. Please. Please. Yes. Yes, I win. I win. All right, there you go. So now we take that and we put that into our Google slide. So we're going to name this Harry Potter Epic. No, type correctly. Minecraft. Ciao. What were you expecting? It's a Minecraft Harry Potter. There's not much you can do with that. Yes, I guess not totally Minecraft since there are circles involved, but I couldn't not make circle glasses. Like that's what he has. At least that's always what I've imagined them having. So sorry, not sorry. All right. Well, I will see you next time. In the meantime, happy drawing.